In this video, I will show you how to make a floral hair comb with silk flowers. If you've already watched my previous tutorials on wrist corsages, then you will be familiar with the techniques that I'm about to demonstrate in this video. Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Janet, and this is where I talk about silk flowers and weddings. Floral hair combs are great accessories for garden weddings. You can make them for the bride, bridesmaids, and also the flower girls. You can make them in whichever flowers that suit your wedding theme. However, you will also want to check the durability of the flowers, leaves, and berries before using them. Let's quickly go through the tools that you will need before we start. You will need some floral wire, some wire cutting pliers, and floral tape. Last but not least, you need a hair comb. They come in different colors and sizes. You can choose one according to the size of your floral piece. In order to save your time, I've already wired and taped all the components I need for the hair comb. Make sure you have flowers and leaves of different sizes so that your hair comb will look natural. Without further ado, let's get started. First, I start with the smallest leaves that I've got. Then I add in some berries. Then I add in a rosebud. Then a small ranunculus. I love to mix in components of different shapes and textures to bring more visual interest to my floral pieces. I add leaves to the side of the flowers to make sure their mechanics are hidden. For every component, I wrap around it with my tape for at least 2 rounds to make sure it's nice and tight and secure. Then I add in a ranunculus bud. Here comes my focal flower, my big red tea rose. Then I add in a tiny weeny bit of berry next to the tea rose, so I get berries not just on the sides, but also in the middle to get a visual balance. Since I've decided the big red tea rose is the middle point of the hair comb, now I need my components to face the other direction, so I bend the wire stem of my leaf before I add in to the bunch. Then I add some more berries on top of the leaves. Then I add in more flower buds and leaves so that the hair comb is kind of symmetrical but not exactly symmetrical. Now it's time to finish off by trimming the wire stems. I would prefer to taper the wires so the wire stem doesn't end up being chunky. After trimming the wires, tape the stem all the way down and back up so your wires definitely won't poke out and hurt the wearer. Press your floral tape down nice and tight, and that's it. Now let me show you how to attach the floral piece to the hair comb. Ideally, you want your hair comb to sit at the middle of your floral piece to make it easier for the wearer. Then you'll need your floral wire. Take a piece of the 30 gauge wire and cut it in half. Then take a piece of floral wire and thread it through the first hole on your hair comb. I poke it through from the back. Then I take it under and back. If your hair comb doesn't come with any holes, you can wrap it around the teeth of your comb. So again, poke it through from the back. Then bring the top half to the front and bring it to the back. Now the wires are secured on the hair comb and we can add the floral piece on top. Once you have decided where your floral piece will sit on the hair comb, flip it over. You take your pieces of wire to wrap around the core of the comb, including your floral piece. And you need to do it at least 2 times to make sure it's nice and tight. And I'll always have both ends of the wire in the front of the hair comb to finish off, so the ends of the wire wouldn't poke the wearer, and I could have it hidden by the florals. Make sure you twist the hair comb and not the wires, so it will be tight and secure. After filming the whole making process, I've found the position of the hair comb is off-centered. So I have decided to take it apart and redo it. Now you can see it's bang in the middle. It will be much easier for the wearer to locate the hair comb. That's it for the floral hair comb demo. I hope you have found this video helpful for you. If you did, please give the like button a lovely tap for me. That would mean a lot to me. And if you want to watch more videos like this in the future, click the subscribe button so you won't miss any of my future videos. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.